What if the right sentence, spoken at exactly the right moment, could stay in a woman's mind long after the conversation was over? Would you still rely on the same predictable lines like, "You look beautiful," or "I like your dress"? Probably not, because there's a huge difference between complimenting someone's appearance and making someone feel genuinely noticed. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's topic, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy these videos and they help you understand relationships and communication from a different perspective, consider supporting the channel by liking the video and subscribing. It takes only a moment, and it helps this content reach more people. And here's another question for you. Where are you watching from today? Drop your city in the comments. I always enjoy seeing how many different places are represented here, and it gives everyone a chance to feel part of the same community. Now, let's get into today's subject. A lot of men assume attraction is primarily about appearance, financial success, confidence, or social status. Those things can certainly influence first impressions, but they aren't the entire story. What often matters much more during an actual interaction is the emotional experience you create. How does she feel when she's talking to you? Does she feel noticed? Does she feel respected? Does she feel that you're actually paying attention to who she is rather than simply reacting to how she looks? That's where a meaningful compliment becomes powerful. A thoughtful compliment isn't simply praise. It can communicate attention, appreciation, and understanding. But there's an important distinction. If you constantly tell someone you're gorgeous, you look amazing, or your outfit is beautiful, eventually those words can become background noise. They're pleasant, but they're also extremely common. When you notice something more personal, however, your words become much more memorable. So today, let's look at 8 types of compliments that go beyond appearance and focus on qualities that can create a deeper sense of appreciation. Compliment number 1, I really like the way you smell. This isn't about making an exaggerated statement. It's about noticing a subtle detail. Smell is closely connected with memory and emotion, which is why certain fragrances can instantly remind us of particular people or moments. When you notice the fragrance someone wears, you're showing that you picked up on something most people might overlook. Instead of simply saying, "You smell nice," you can make it more personal. "I really like that fragrance. It suits you." The important part is sincerity. Don't say it just because you're looking for something to say. A genuine observation carries much more weight than a rehearsed line. Compliment number 2, your smile changes the mood around you. This goes beyond telling someone that they have an attractive smile. You're pointing out its effect. Some people walk into a room and immediately make the atmosphere feel lighter. Their expression, enthusiasm, or warmth influences the people around them. If that's genuinely true about her, tell her. You might say, "There's something about your smile. The whole mood feels different when you do it." That's much more personal than simply saying, "You have a beautiful smile." You're acknowledging something she contributes to the environment around her. Compliment number 3, I like that you don't pretend to be someone you're not. Authenticity is increasingly valuable in a world where people often feel pressured to present a carefully edited version of themselves. If you notice that a woman is comfortable expressing her real personality, acknowledge it. You could say, "I like how comfortable you seem being yourself. You don't seem like you're trying to impress everyone." That's a compliment about character rather than appearance. And character-based compliments can be particularly meaningful because they communicate that you've been paying attention to more than the surface. Compliment number 4, you have an interesting way of looking at things. Here's where you move from appearance to personality and intelligence. Maybe she explains an ordinary situation from an unusual perspective. Maybe she challenges an assumption you've always had. Maybe the way she approaches problems makes you think differently. Instead of simply agreeing with everything she says, recognize the quality of her thinking. For example, "I hadn't looked at it that way before. I actually like how your mind works." That tells her something important. You're not just waiting for your turn to speak, you're listening. And genuine curiosity can make a conversation far more memorable. Compliment number 5, being around you makes me want to improve. This is a powerful compliment when it's true.